Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another implementation of the if-else statement. So on the first section of our document here, or our program, I have here a set of grade range. So if we have here 90 to 100, the grade range should be A, 80 to 89 it's B, 70 to 79 it's C, 60 to 69 it's D, and below 60 is F. So what the user will do is we will input here the grade from, let's say for example, from 60 to 100, and then display the equivalent values here. Now let's look at our codes. So we have here our variable declaration, that is integer grade. Then we have here input our grade. Then we have our ladderized if-else statement. So if the grade is greater than or equal to 90, we print out A. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 80, we print out B. If grade is greater than or equal to 70, we print out C. And if the grade is greater than or equal to 60, we print out D. Otherwise, we print F. So let's look at the output. Let's run our code. So it's currently asking us to input here the equivalent grade value. So if you notice, we have here our grade range. So let's say we input a grade of 90. What happened is that we print out the value of A. So in our code, what we have is grade, that is 90, greater than or equal to 90. It's equal to 90, so we print out the value of A. So let's have another input. So this time, let's say we have our value of 77. So 77 is between the range of 70 to 79. So the output here is C. If we go to our code, so if the grade that we input is greater than or equal to 70, which is true, we print out the value of C. Let's have another run here. Okay, now we test now if the grade value is 101. So the output here is A. So technically it's correct because we have a condition here, that is if the grade is greater than or equal to 90, but it's wrong because there is no 101 grade. So to do that, we need to add additional condition to our program here. So let me show to you version 2 of our code. Now I have here the version 2 of our program, an improved logic behind the first one. This time I have added here one of our logical operators, and what we're going to do is there should be sort of we have here a grade range, but we cannot control it in our previous program. So in our previous program. So in order for us to control that the values can be 90 to 100 only, I have added here our logical operator AND. So if the grade is greater than or equal to 90, and if the grade is less than or equal to 100, the value here will be A. Same goes with the other grade range here. Now if the user decided to input the grade that is below, this time I have added here, so that is below, I think 50. Okay, below 50. No, below 50 instead of F. We have here below 50 will be invalid range. Now we will add another section here, so that is from 50 to 59. Okay, the grade range will be F. So this is the improved version of our grade program. So let's run our output. Let's run our program and let's see our output here. So it's asking us to input the grade. Let's first check the invalid section here. Now if you see, if the grade does not fall within the values that we have, it should display as invalid range. So let's say in our previous program 101, enter. As you can see, there is no 101 here. Then our value falls into the invalid range category. Now if we run our program again, this time let's input something in this section. Let's say 66, enter. So our grade value here is letter D. So this is an implementation of the ladder if else, or if else ladder, and then incorporating the use of our logical operator. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.